Hello and good morning, KMS students. You are tuning into KMS. Get the latest news and happenings here in our morning broadcast. I am your host for today, Mr. Darrell.
And I'm Renee from 5B.
Last Thursday, we talked about the benefits of gardening.
We learned that gardening can help improve our physical and emotional health.
Therefore, we have invited two students today to share their experiences about gardening at KMS.
Let's all welcome Zoe and Gloria.
Hi, Zoe. Nice to have you with us today. I would like to ask you, have you ever tried gardening outside school?
To be honest, I'm very new to gardening. The houses in Hong Kong are usually small, so growing up, I never had a chance to garden. Luckily, I get to experience gardening here at KMS.
Oh, that's good. So, how was your first experience touching the soil with your bare hands?
At first, it felt a bit weird. I always thought soil was dirty, but after doing some research, I learned that soil has lots of nutrients and minerals that help plants grow.
My second question is, what lessons have you learned from gardening at KMS?
Gardening at KMS has helped me overcome my fear of insects. I used to be scared of earthworms, ants, and bees. Gardening has taught me that insects are important for the survival of plants. They all need to work together.
Thank you so much, Zoe, for sharing all your experiences.
My pleasure.
Now let's invite Gloria to share her experience. Gloria, we heard that you enjoy gardening. What seeds have you planted at KMS?
I planted strawberry seed. It takes around 60 to 19 days to grow.
So, what is the best part of gardening?
The best part of gardening is the excitement you get when you see your seed grow into a plant. It makes me happy.
How has planting helped you as a student?
In this fast-paced world, we expect everything to happen right away. It sometimes makes us impatient. Gardening has taught me to be patient. It takes time for seed to grow. So being patient is one lesson I have learned to develop.
Thank you so much, Gloria, for sharing your experience today.
Well, that is all the time we have for today. We hope you have learned a lot about gardening. Thanks for listening and stay tuned to KMS.
Goodbye
Goodbye and have a wonderful day, everyone.